Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 in Virtualbox. So to install Virtualbox, first you'll need to open your browser. Now search Virtualbox. Download the latest version of Virtualbox. Presently it's 6.1. If you are using Windows, download Windows hosts or you can download other versions according to your requirement. So once downloaded, install it. Make sure that you install VirtualBox properly so that there are no issues. So once you have installed it, you'll need Windows ISO file. For that, search Windows 10 ISO file. Now open the first link. I'll provide this link in description. Once you're here, right click anywhere and go to inspect. Here, make sure you click this and make sure it's blue. Now reload. Now you will see mobile version of this website. Click on select edition and select Windows 10. Confirm. Click on choose one and choose your language. Now according to your requirement, download 64-bit or 32-bit. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Once you have downloaded it, open VirtualBox. If you open VirtualBox for the first time, you will not see any virtual machines installed, like you will not see any operating system pre-installed. To create a new operating system, in this video it's Windows. Go to top end and click on New. Now here, give a name to your virtual machine. I'll give it Windows 10. Now here you can choose Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit, whichever you have downloaded. I'll allot about 4 GB of RAM and click next. Now here you can change storage according to your requirement. I'll set it to about 30 GB. It's up to you how much storage you want to allocate. It's recommended that you allot at least 30 GB. Now click on Start. Here browse the file that you downloaded. Click on Add and now browse the file that you downloaded. So this is the file that you need. Click on Choose and start your machine. So you will see this boot logo once your device has started. Now you'll have a general installation wizard and you'll just need to follow it. Click on Next and click on Install. If you have a product key, just insert it, else click on I don't have. If you have bought Windows 10 Home, you can choose it and install. If you have a 10 Pro, you can install it. I have 10 Pro, so I'll install it. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on Custom Installation and click on New Drive. Here you make sure that you select this unallocated space and create on New. Now apply it and click on OK. Click on Next and Windows installation process will be started. You can even apply these methods on general PC. You can install Windows 10 on your hard drive using this method. There's only a minor difference, like whichever ISO you have downloaded, You'll need to flash it in a USB and boot from it. Then it will be booted into this wizard and you'll need to follow it. This installation process might take much time if you have a low spec PC. Now click on restart now, or you can just wait. Do not click any key on your keyboard. Let us wait till it boots. This booting process might take a while if you are having a hard disk drive. It's better if you have an SSD. Your PC will reboot multiple times. In a while, this screen will appear. This situation on screen might be up to 2 minutes. It might even take more if your device is slow. So once you're booted, choose your region and click on next. If you have a specific keyboard layout, choose it and click yes. Now click on skip. I have cut some part in this video so that it is short. Please don't judge installation time with it. Now click on setup for personal use. Generally, it is for personal use. You can just ignore these warnings. After some time, you will see this screen. You can enter your username . Now click next. Create any password . And you'll need to give its hint. Here I'll just select anything random and I'll enter something random. You'll need to perform this task 3 times. Now let it boot. Here you make sure that you turn off all of these things. Make sure you read it before turning it off. I suggest you turning it off as it violates your privacy according to me. In here, it's up to you whether you want to click on yes or no. If you click on yes, it will keep a track of all your activities. I don't want it, so I'll click on no. Now click on not now. Finally, you get this welcome screen by Windows 10. In this tab, the time taken by your PC depends upon your PC specs and internet speed. Now finally, you have installed Windows 10. First you'll feel that your virtual machine is laggy and you cannot use it. But let it install drivers so that your PC will be responsive. Don't operate it for about 1 hour. just leave it. Now going to start. Here, as you can see, these are preloaded apps that come with Windows 10. There are no much bloat when compared to previous editions. As you are using a virtual machine, according to me, you don't need any animations or something that sort of. You just need to be focused on your productivity. So, going to start, go to System and turn off animations. Here go to Advanced Settings. Under Performance, go to Settings and click on Best Performance. Your Windows 10 version will not be activated by default. You will need to activate it using a key. It's up to you how you want to activate Windows 10, but I recommend you buy it officially. Now after a while, reboot. You'll find that virtual machine is a bit slow as we have not yet installed Virtualbox Guest Edition. Once you have rebooted, go to Devices and click on Insert Guest Editions CD. Go to this PC and here you'll find CD drive Virtualbox Guest Editions. The font here does not look good, so we'll just change it. Now click on CD drive and run exe file. Now here make sure you run VBox Windows Editions. Click on yes. Now complete the wizard and install it. Now make sure this is checked and click on install. Now make sure you select reboot and click on finish. Now your PC will be rebooted. Now you will feel it's a bit smooth and it's highly usable. Now going to view, you can even change it to full screen. There are no issues with full screen if you install Virtualbox Guest Editions. Any operating system that you install in Virtualbox requires Virtualbox Guest Editions so that it installs the required drivers. Going to start. Now everything feels normal. So this is how you can install Windows 10 on Virtualbox. Going to Task Manager. More details. Here as you can see, CPU usage and RAM usage both are low and it's highly usable. There are no lags and it's really smooth. If you are having a low spec PC, you cannot install Windows 10 on your virtual machine as it will be highly laggy and unusable. Now if I show my PC specs, going to System, here as you can see, this is my PC specs and it's a HP Pavilion notebook. This PC has Intel Core i5-9300H and it's clocked at 2.4 GHz. It has a RAM of 4 GB and it's a 64-bit operating system. In this PC, I have a dedicated graphics card, namely 1650, GTX 1650. So if you have trouble in installing Windows 10 on your Virtualbox, even after seeing this video, you can comment down and I'll surely reply. Going back to Virtualbox, you can update all the other apps going to Store. Store and all other features will be working if you activate your PC. So it's a must to activate your Windows 10. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.